Check out this pre-owned 2008 Dodge Dakota Sport. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, and power windows.